Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mariah, aka Right Baby. What's good? Yes, I do look a mess. Maybe I look like Felicia, but it's okay because we are trying to take care of our natural hair, and the way our natural hair looks and feels is more important than, all this. So, with that being said, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be trimming my natural hair for the first time on my own in a long time. Like I have trimmed my hair in the past, but I would not say that it was pretty good because obviously it was like my first time back then, and I was younger and I didn't really know what the heck I was doing. So now we're going to be trimming our hair. Like, I haven't had a trim in a long time. Like, it's probably been like a year and a half since I've had a trim, and that's since I've trimmed it myself at my house, because the last time I trimmed it was like December 2019 or something like that. So yeah, I'll leave a picture of what it looked like when I trimmed it then on the screen. But now, like, I've just noticed that my hair just really needs a trim, so I decided to do it myself because I haven't found anyone that I really like, or I haven't found anyone at all, to be honest. And also I don't have the money. So on this channel, if you haven't realized, I like to save money and do a lot of things myself. If that's not your cup of tea, then go on and stay and watch this video. But if it is your cup of tea, thank you and continue watching. So I did buy these brand new unused scissors from Amazon. They are hair scissors. You want to get hair scissors. Do not do this. If you're going to do this at home by yourself, do not use kitchen scissors. Do not use any scissors from the dollar store or anything like that. Go to the beauty supply store, Sally Beauty, something like that, and get you actual hair shears, hair cutting scissors, because if you use any other scissors, you're going to do more damage than good. So just be on the safe side and use actual hair scissors. So yes, I just blow dried my hair. I just washed and blow dried, so my hair is clean and nice and all of that good stuff. So I'm just going to be taking it. My hair is already in sections because that's how I blow dried it, because if I was to try to do all of this at one time, it would just not be good. So what you're going to need, or what I'm going to use, this is not a tutorial, disclaimer, I am not a professional stylist or anything like that. This is just what I'm doing. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, so I feel like I'm an expert for my own hair. But yeah, so just keep that in mind. What I'm going to be doing, this comb came with the scissors, and I'm going to be using this smaller end right here, a wide tooth comb, and then, like I said, the scissors. So I'm going to be taking this first section, and what I really want is for my hair to get longer, so me needing to cut off some now to get the length later and the health is more important than trying to hold on to these dead ends, in my opinion. Took all of my other clips away. So I'm just going to be starting off with a section this big. I'm gonna stop talking and just probably do a voiceover because I need to concentrate. I have not done this in a long time, like I said. Yeah.
Okay, so right here is where I had accidentally cut my hair when I was taking out faux locks, and this was around the time, a little bit after I had trimmed my hair last. So this was like well, actually it could have been 2020 or it was probably 2020, in like the middle of 2020. So it was shorter back then, but now it's gotten longer. I just wanted to show you guys that I had like a small piece in there somewhere. But yeah, I really am just combing out my hair and smoothing it out, and then I'm just going to be trimming off what I think needs to go, or what looks like needs to go. And as you can see, it looks a lot better after the trim. And since this piece is shorter, I definitely do want to make sure I get that as well, because it's no point in trying to be like, wanting healthy hair and then I'm missing all the pieces that need to get cut. So I'm just going to be repeating that process all over my head, and then also I'm going to be doing this. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm just like smoothing out my hair and trying to cut the inside pieces if they need to be cut as well. I wasn't really looking, I was just like going with the flow. I would really say be careful if you're going to try that, just because it can be, especially if you have new scissors, you can cut your hair pretty easily if you're not paying attention. Look at those ends. They definitely need to go. And I do want to mention that I watched Bree Hall's video on how she trims her hair at home, and that's where I got a lot of my tips from. But honestly, you want to just do whatever you feel like your hair needs. Some people that I watched trim their hair when it was still wet. Some people blow dried. I felt more comfortable to trim my hair blow dried than wet. Like I said, do what you want, what you think is best. I really didn't end up cutting a lot. I'll show you guys at the end how much is gone, but my hair definitely felt better after this. So I would say if you're thinking about it, probably go ahead and do it, as long as you have the right materials. But yeah, I'll just let you guys continue to watch the video. So I didn't show this part throughout the entire video, but I did go in as well and like hold my hair out horizontal and try to cut some hair that way, just because I wanted to make sure I have layers, so I want to make sure that I still have those layers. And then also I just wanted to make sure that I was getting all of the hair that needed to be trimmed. So I wanted to cut it from different angles to just make sure that I was cutting all of the hair that needed to be cut. You don't have to do this, but I would recommend just making sure that you're being very thorough with your trim. If you decide to do it yourself, be as thorough as you can. Obviously, if you're not a professional, there's only so much you can do, but I do plan to go to a professional. I just could not let my hair just sit like that until I found someone or until I got the money. So
okay, everybody, so that's it for this video. I did the other side off camera because it was just taking entirely too long to try to film the whole thing. So this is what my hair is looking like. It is so much, it just feels so much better. This is literally how much hair I cut besides the little pieces that are too small for me to grab. Let's add that to the pile, and then all of the little pieces that are on my shirt. But like, as you guys saw before, like the difference from what my hair looked like before I cut this side, when this side was all done. Like, my hair is so much thicker, like it feels so much thicker, it looks better. Like, it's just, this was a great idea. At first I was like really skeptical about it, but it turned out to be a wonderful decision. I'm really happy with the results. Like, obviously it's not perfect because I did it by myself at home. Like I said, first time in a hot minute, but I still really enjoy the results and I'm super happy. When in doubt though, cut less. Like, that's what I would just say. When in doubt, cut less, and then try to find a professional if you're nervous about it. If you're not nervous, then just go for it, you know, cut it, whatever, it'll grow back. Like, it's not that serious. But I'm just so freaking happy with it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. It is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you know when I post new videos. Y'all, I'm super happy, like I said. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.